Hello friends, welcome to CyberSocks. In this video we are going to talk about functions. Function is a block of reusable code which takes input, process some certain task and gives output. You understood? No? I also know you don't understood. So I will simplify the function definition. I will tell you, like when you declare a variable, you declare its name and assign a value. Similarly, in function, you declare a function name. Instead of assigning the value, you assign block of code. Yes, you are assigning the function block of code. Although it is not completely true, there are some more things, but behind the scenes function do this, because when you call our variable you get the value, or when you call our function you got those lines of code. Let's see in action what functions are. Let's head over to our game lab. Let's open our function block. As you can see, this is our function block. Let's move our function block to our workspace. Let's assign our function name. As you assign name to our variable, let's name it my name. And as I told earlier, you assign block of code. Yes, we are going to assign a block of code. Let's say we want it to print my name. Let's say CyberSocks. After declaring the variable, what you do? Yes, you call the variable. So after assigning the function, what we do? We call our function. Let's call our function. Here our function call. And what our function name is? My name. Let's hit run. As you can see, it is printing my name, CyberSocks. Let's do something. Let's call our function again, and let's call our function again. My name. My name. As many times you call the function, as many times this block of code will execute. Let's reset and hit run. Now understand what is happening. Like in variable, when we assign a value, when we call it, it will give the value. In function, we write the function keyword, then declare its name, then we write our code. This block of code is reusable block of code, because without writing this block of code, I am executing this block of code. Now whenever we want to execute this block of code, I will just call the function. Now you are wondering why we are making the function for one line of code. I can just write console.log CyberSocks, but if the function has thousands of lines, then are you going to write thousands of lines again and again? Just write a function and you can just call it in one line and you will execute thousands of lines instead of this. Is these functions are powerful? Yes, functions are very powerful. You don't have to write these blocks of code again and again. You can just declare once and call its name whenever you want to use it. I can tell you, my friend, functions are pretty useful, because you don't have to write same code again and again ever. Now use function and sort your code. For such exciting videos, please visit CyberSocks. We make coding and robotics easy for kids.